Okay, so we're looking at mixed exercise 11 from this first year core textbook, so it's on vectors, and we're looking at question 10. This is quite a good problem solving one, I think. So we've got a vector pi plus qj, and we're told p and q are both positive, and we're given the magnitude of this vector, so that's what that notation means, and then we're told the angle. So I think a sketch is going to be essential for this one. So I know p and q are both positive, so I know it's going off to the right and up, and it's going P in the I direction and Q in the J direction. And then, so that's the vector A. I'm told the magnitude of A is 15. So I've got a right angle triangle there. And then I'm told the vector A makes an angle of 55 degrees. So this really is a Pythagoras and trig problem. So now I've got that triangle sketched out. Basically, I just need to find the two sides of that triangle. So I've got two things that I can use here. I've got Pythagoras, so I know the magnitude of the hypotenuse is 15. So I know that the square root of p squared plus q squared is 15. And I think that's going to look a lot nicer if I just square both sides. So I'm going to get p squared plus q squared is 225. Okay, that just looks a bit nicer without having the square root over everything. Then I also know that if this angle is 55, I know that, well, I could use, so normally we'd use tan for this. So I could say that tan 55 is opposite over adjacent, and that is two equations and two unknowns. But I'm actually thinking, I'm wondering if I even need the Pythagoras bit actually, because now what I'm thinking is, well, if I know that the hypotenuse is 15, if I say that sine 55, so from SOHCAHTOA, sine 55 is opposite over hypotenuse, I'm thinking that I can just get Q straight from that. So I might be missing something, or we'll finish the question off and see. But now I'm starting to think that maybe I don't even need that at all. Let's see. Okay, so I put that into my calculator. Well, so that would give me that 15 times sine 55 is Q, which would give me Q. I don't think it said that they, no, they're not going to be integers, but it didn't say that. It said positive constants. So that would give me Q is 12 points, well, I'm going to say 12.3 to three significant figures. And then if I do the same thing for cos of that angle, because obviously I know cos 55 is adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos 55 is adjacent over hypotenuse. So if I multiply by the 15, P is going to be 15 cos 55. So that gives me P is 8.60. That looks like a 6. Let's try that again. 8.60. Is that all it wanted? Find the values of P and Q. Yeah, so I tell you what, because I've written it out, I might as well just double check. So obviously if I've rounded those two, it's not going to be exact, but let's just check. So 12.3 squared plus 8.6 squared. Yeah, so if I substitute those values of P and Q into this, it's giving me 225.25, but then that's fair enough because these were slightly rounded. Let's just double check our answers, 8.6 and 12.3. Yeah, lovely.